Ways to Wonder.
Ways to Wonder driving in Mexico.
Using a golf cart.
There's no stop sign, no forward.
Just go straight.
Just go straight all the time.
Yeah.
Shoot. There's no side mirror.
Just rear mirror.
I can even see my sides. There's no side mirrors.
You can use the rear mirror.
And then there's no stop sign. There's no signal too. Oh shit.
You just go ahead. You can just go straight to the right.
There's no side mirror. All right, I don't even know where to go. Guys, ganito pala dito sa Isla Mujeres. Ganda. So meron kang vacation house dito like this, yung makita namin kaliwat kanan. Pagkatapos ganyan yung harapan mo, ganyan kaganda. Tingnan mo, ganyan kagandang dagat. Saka nakaka-relax. Pero ganito yung sasakyan mo. Subo. Init. So guys, right now nandito tayo sa isang side ng Isla Mujeres. So nag-drive kami from town. Nag-drive kami dito ng almost 8 kilometers. Malayo-layo din. Gamit namin golf cart nandun. Nirentahan namin yon, no? So parang $75 US dollar for 3 hours. So ayun, it's 1:30 ngayon ng hapon. Napakainit, sulog na yung balat ko actually. Pero ang ganda-ganda ang nasa harapan ko naman. Diba? Gulf of Mexico na ba to? Gulf of Mexico, sabi mo?
Gulf of Mexico.
It's the Gulf of Mexico. So guys, dito yung iba may mga vacation house, rental properties, ano to, mga siguro hotel din to or condominium, whatever they can call that. So marami rin siguro dito nagbabakasyon at saka siguro dito na tumitira yung iba. Pag ganyan naman ang kaharap mo, ganyan kagandang mga alon, ano, napakaganda. Napakaganda niyan pag masdan, lalo na sa umaga. Guys, parang napaka-peaceful ng kanilang pamumuhay dito sa area na to, no? Parang wala kang problema, ganon. Kaso nga lang, kung titignan mo, para ka nasa kawalan. So, ito, nasa isang isla to dito sa Mexico. Particularly, Isla Mujeres. So, it's an island of Mujeres yata. I don't know, I need to do some research about that. Kung anong ibig sabihin nun. Sorry, I'm not ready. Basta ito ang nakikita ko, all blue, clear water, napakalinis.
Dami naman nila.
Ito lang.
Hindi na matatapos. Ayan, pwede na yan. Dahil golf cart lang din yun. Dito pala yung maganda. Dito pala yung mga dolphin. Doon sa abanto.
Guys, ito yung isang side ng Isla Mujeres, Tortuga Verde, Isla Mujeres. This is another side of the island, no? Continuation lang to nung kanina na video ko, ano. So, ganoon din. Area na yan. So guys, tiis-tiis tayo dito. Sobrang init talaga. Ilang araw pala ako dito, sunog na yung balat ko. Kasi talagang mainit. I can feel the warmth, the hotness, and then of course pawis, tulong-tulo.
Those are the creatures that you can see in the sea.
Okay.
So there's the shark tiburon, and then those turtles.
So there are shark there. There are just turtles, and then those what's that? Is that seahorse, some other fish, shells, and then in Tagalog, ano to? Pawikan. This turtle, and then there are sharks and seahorses. They said you can find this sea creatures in that, in that sea. Ganda naman, nakakatakot din pala dyan. So may pating pala dyan, ano. Ayos. Yung Mercedes-Benz sa amin dito. Mga ka-wonders, Mercedes-Benz ito. Yeah.
Konti kibot tubig.
So guys, tong gold card na to, so turn off ko siya, naka-turn off na to. Tapos naka-foot brake siya, then naka-neutral, then naka-turn to the left yung aking steer wheel. So guys, just to make it safe, you know, I'll grab the key. Guys, so nandito na kami sa final destination sa Ponta del Sur Ponta Sur. So guys, we just arrived here of our final destination here at Isla Mujeres, what they call Ponta Sur, right? right? So guys, napakainit. Sabi ko baka di kami magtagal dito, kailangan ko nang bumalik. Ang init talaga. So maghahanap siguro ako dito ng something cold, no? Buko juice sana kung mayroon. Mas maganda kung mayroon para ma-refresh naman yung pangangatawan natin dito at kaloob-looban. Grabe, ang init talaga. No guys, tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin doon. Yun doon banda. So up there, I think that's the entrance, and then we need to go there, and then maybe there's a registration, I don't know, but then we can see the ruins of Isla Mujeres. Okay. Nice. What? Where? Oh, no wonders. May mga iguanas dito, tapos kinakain nila ng ano, they're eating the mangoes. No wonders, napakaganda. Guys, may mga cactuses dito. Cactus, dami. Cactuses, yung ba yung plural ng cactus, guys? Guys, anong plural ng cactus? Cactuses ba? Ang dami eh. See? Mal, let's go. Is this real? Oh, it's true. True one. This is real one. I thought it's only a statue. Guys, look at this. This is a real iguana. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Okay. Oh, here. So guys, in order for you guys to what is that? $6. Okay, entrance fee is about $6 US, or if you have a Mexican peso, that's ciento? Yeah, ciento Mexican peso.
Ciento
100
per person.
Yeah. Guys, you need to pay ciento 100. Hola. Hola, amigo. Ooh, pink.
Yeah. Oh, pink.
Pink.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias. Quintana Roo. What is this? Quintana Roo. Unidos para Isla Mujeres, quedar la gente. La gente. So we are at the Ponta Sur of Isla Mujeres. Hola. Hot day. Guys, you can see lots of statue, no? I don't know what is this all about, but oh, I can see where we came from. Those island there, I think that's the Cancun area. Now this is the Isla Mujeres, but we are in the south side of the Isla Mujeres island. So guys, so these are the ruins, no? You can see ruins out here. So look at this. if you live here very long time ago, let's say 100 years ago, or maybe 200, 300 years ago. Ano kaya itong lugar na to? What is this island? What looks like? What does it look like? See? So doon siguro napakaganda na kanilang karagatan. Siguro nung panahon, nung unang panahon, dyan sagana to sa yamang dagat, wherein siguro magano ka lang ng lambat dyan, maglagay ka ng lambat dyan, makakahuli ka, may pangulam ka na, may pagkain ka na, and you survive. And maybe, I don't think they can, oh yeah, siguro makaka-plant naman sila dito kung may soil dito na for agricultural. I don't think so mayroon kasi parang puro rock. Ang nakikita ko dito puro bato-bato eh. See? But this is how paano to nakaka-amaze mga guys, no? I can show you that, eh? Paligid ko. So nasa isla ako. Doon yung Cancun, doon tayo galing. Alright, doon tayo nang galing. Right now, nandito tayo sa gitna ng isla, gitna ng karagatan. So may mga estatwa dito like this. May serpent, may ahas dun sa kanyang ulo. Aha. Okay, so there's a warning here. No sober la escultura, meaning to say in English, don't climb the sculpture. Enciendes. So there's another one here. Okay, maraming mga estatwa dito. Some statue. Okay, now let's go to the ruins. Let's see that. What's we got there? Hola. Hot day. Yeah. What is this, guys? Mayan announcer with the sound of a snail. Oh, so itong statue na to is an announcer. Gamit niya yung snail. So may sounds siya yung parang ganon. So this statue here means he was an announcer that he use a I think he's using a snail as an instrument, right? As an instrument to ano ba sabi? Sound like a snail. So maybe it looks like sounds like a trumpet, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. So guys, few more steps from here. Now I can see I can reach the ruins of Isla Mujeres. I will take the right way. Let's see what we can see here. Look at this, guys. But there are some birds flying again. See? Woohoo! Tignan nyo yung dagat na yan. Tignan nyo yan. Napakalinis. It is very clear, man. Clear as bright. So ito siguro isa sa mga ruins dito, itong stone structure na to. I just don't know what is this, but as you can see, no, maybe it's a temple, it's a house, it's a building or a castle, so we don't know, right? And go down and see what's in there. If there's nothing in here, left or right, what's in there? Okay. So this is an island, no, guys, that grabe, this is very beautiful. It's awesome. So guys, nandito na tayo, oh, sa pinakababa. Dito, ingat-ingat, madulas. Guys, napakalakas ng alon talaga. Minsan nakakatakot din. Yung sa side na yun, yun yung Cancun. Diyan sa side na yan. So, Gulf of Mexico na to eh. Hindi ko na siya ikutan doon guys kasi wala na kaming time. Kailangan na namin umuwi. Kasi yung renta ng sports car ko hanggang alas 4 lang, yan ang oras na. Diba? And then malayo-layo pa yung ida-drive namin pabalik. So guys, ito yung makikita nyo dito sa Isla Mujeres pag napunta kayo. Okay. Yan yung makikita mo dito sa Isla Mujeres. Sabi ko lumabas yung dalawa. Eksakto. Guys, eksakto, no? Sabi ko, ito yung makikita nyo pag pupunta kayo ng Isla Mujeres. From the other side naman, pag ano ko doon ng camera, may dalawang magandang mga pinipini lumabas. So sabi ko, ito yung makikita mo dito sa Isla Mujeres. Delikado tayo yan. Also not. Grabe, ang ganda talaga. I think yun lang yung mga makikita nyo dito, no, sa Isla Mujeres. Yung ruins, yung kanilang downtown kung saan tayo naggaling kanina. Kumain tayo doon. Maraming masasarap na restaurant, magaganda yung beach nila doon, yung dagat nila. And then nandito tayo ngayon sa may Punta Sur. So if you guys come here, you wanna come here from Cancun, then you need to ride a ferry boat, no? Then the ferry boat will take you 20 minutes Cancun to Isla Mujeres. Then sa Isla Mujeres, then you need to rent a taxi or a golf cart like what we did, kasi you need to drive from the town to here and it will take you more or less 8 kilometers, no? So hindi mo tatangkay lakarin siguro yon kasi mainit ang panahon dito, parang Pilipinas. 3-4 days pa lang ako nandito pero yung balat ko sunog na. Kahit may mga sun protection pa ako dyan, hindi yata tumatalab. I can see, reddish na ako. So, guys, if you're planning to visit Isla Mujeres, ito yung mga magagandang lugar na pwede nyo puntahan dito, no? Alright guys, so it's time to go back na sa town kasi 4 o'clock yun yung aming call time para sa yung aming golf cart na nirentahan. So ang init, grabe. Kumain ako ng marami, then I'm hoping I'm gonna lose maybe I don't know how much calorie I'm losing today. Wonders, naalala ko ng mga araw na to, mga 10 years ago, ay hindi, 12 years ago, mga ganon. Mga araw na nagtatrabaho pa ako sa surveying. Ganito kainit yung nilalakad namin. Talagang sunog na sunog ang balat na namin ng mga panahon na yan. Same temperature sa tingin ko lang. Parehas sila dito, Pilipinas saka Mexico. Kaya grabe, sunog ang balat ko nun. Grabe. Okay guys, this is the ano na to malabas na to. So guys, we just rest for a while here. Ko na kaya, so kailangan ko nang magubad, no? Init talaga.
Lumabas na yung kanyang taba-taba.
Taba-taba, mas taba-taba. So change clothes tayo kasi grabe yung pawis. Hello. Hola. Guys, pauwi na kami. Palit na rin kami ng damit. Grabe pawis. So mag-CCR ka dyan, magwa-washroom ka dyan, you need to pay. If you're going to use their washroom, you need to pay 10 pesos
Or 50 cents USD. And then kapag ka naman bumili ka ng tubig or maiinom, nag-iisa lang kasi nagbebenta doon. So yung Powerade nila or Gatorade, it will cost you $7 USD. Pero kung may Mexican dollar ka sana or Mexican peso, magbabayad ka lang ng 100 Mexican. So lugi ka dahil nag-USD ka. Kaya lang, dahil naubusan na kami ng Mexican, no choice na kami kung di magbayad dahil uhaw na uhaw ka na. Nandun na tayo sa kumbaga kailangan mo na dahil sobrang uhaw ka na. So yun, no choice kami. Nagbayad kami $7 USD. So ito, babalik na kami.
Malilate na kami, ang bagal pa ng takbo nung nasa harapan. Anong oras naman?
We still have 30 minutes left. We can make it there.
Ang mahirap kasi hindi tayo makapag-overtake dahil kabagal din ng sasakyan natin.